Hey everybody, welcome back to Riffs and Reactions. This is Barry, and I just got to say that there's nothing better to me than watching young kids carry on the tradition of musicianship. Today, there's so much AI stuff out there. I mean, you can log into an AI thing now and say, "Hey, let's make a song about such and such," and it does the whole thing. I mean, and people are that's what they're doing. It's kind of bogus if you ask me. So when I see young kids like what we're fixing to watch playing the instruments and excelling, it just really it touches me deeply. So this is not a new band for me. This is the Mission Souls, and there's just it's a family from the Philippines, and they are absolutely incredible. So this is the first time I've done this one. This is Crazy Train, and this is an actual live video of them playing somewhere live. All the videos I've seen so far have been done like at their home studio, mixed down, edited, those kinds of things. And they are very, very impressive. Mom and dad join in, very impressive. This is a little bit different. So I'm really looking forward to it. I want to see how they do, just on their own. So let's jump into it.
We'll be trying this song. Just learn this.
That's all, guys. All right, I'm pausing right here because if you don't know, she's fixing to tackle a solo by Randy Rhoads. And Randy Rhoads may be one of the greatest guitarists of all times. It definitely, when this came out, he was probably at the tops. I mean, this was he and Eddie Van Halen were kind of rivals in Los Angeles coming up. Different styles, but Randy leaned in more towards the classical stuff. And other things to keep in mind too. Let's say Crazy Train came out on Blizzard of Oz. So it's either Lee Kerslake on drums, or I think Lee may have actually recorded both albums. But either way, Tommy Aldridge was Ozzy's drummer on this tour anyway. So so Ice has got a lot going on there to do that. He did make one little bitty mistake, and he looked at the camera. He's like, "Uh-oh," but hey, listen, man, it's still pretty doggone awesome. He's doing a good job, and I think she also said that they had learned this song. All right, now I said all that leading up to this solo, and everything I've heard her play so far has always been spot on. This is a little bit different monster, so let's see. That was good. That was really good. It was really, really good. Back it up. Just let's listen to it one more time. She did a really good job. Here we go. So that was really good. Here's what you've got. I mean, this is what you've got to keep in mind. I think this said 2025, so last year or within the last year or so. Like Ice is probably 11 in that. I think he's 12 now. Nisha, I'm sorry, is probably 14. And I'm not real sure. But what's a little bit different about this video versus the other videos, this is live. They're playing in front of a crowd. you get nerves. They already said that they had just learned this song. So yeah, they made a couple little mistakes here and there, but who doesn't make mistakes? I mean, the best in the world makes mistakes. I mean, I've gone to concerts and seen people that play these songs 1,000 times just completely screw them up. But these kids are good. I mean, they're real good. So you cannot watch this video and pick the corn out of the crap, so to speak. I think they did a great job, and I think they're pretty awesome. The other thing that I noticed in this is that Ice is now playing a kit from Pearl and not the Ludwigs that he has in the other videos. So maybe I just haven't seen this, or maybe he's got a separate kit when he plays out. But anyway, overall, listen, I'm proud of these kids. I mean, when I was there's no way I could do that when I was their age. Not at all. I mean, they're complete pros. They're as good as just about any. If you go out anywhere to see a band playing a bar or something like that, they're better. These kids are better. So anyway, awesome job, Mission Souls. Again, you guys are great. I know you're not going to see this video, but if you do, I just want you to know I support you 100%. And your fans, I know your fans do. So anyway, if you like this video, please thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe. Hit subscribe. It's free, costs nothing. When you do that, a little bell's going to pop up. Hit the bell. That little bell's going to let you get notifications every time I do new videos, which is every Friday. A bunch of videos. I've got a lot out there in a short time. And also, too, if you want to make sure that your request gets done, and this was a request, but if you want to make sure your request gets done, there's a little thing, it's called a super thanks, and here's a short little clip, tells you exactly how to do a super thanks and get your video done. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching. Thank you for sharing and liking and subscribing and all those things, because you guys are what it's all about. See you next time here on Riffs and Rides. Take it easy. If you want to make a request and help support the channel, a super thanks is always greatly appreciated, and here's how you do it. Just look for the little heart with the $sign in it. That's the super thanks button. When you click it, you can leave a small tip, and it also highlights your comment. Just include the band name, the song title, and the version you want me to react to. Not every video has super thanks enabled, so if you don't see the button, just scroll through my channel and find a video that does. Thanks so much for your support. It really helps the channel grow, and it keeps these reactions coming.